Hi, I'm Prashant Gupta. I'm a prospect graduate student at California State University, Long Beach. Um, I'm quite positive and motivated for this program because it is very well suited for my future aspirations. As I see the global world um, is being digitized, um, there is information flow at all times, at all corners of the world. Computer scientists are going to play the central role. I would like to be in the mainstream. I would like to become an entrepreneur or a computer architect, um, and that is why I'm motivated to upskill myself and take up this particular program. About my education, I completed my undergrad in 2011. I my major was information systems and technology. I've completed all the courses in this major. Um, I have particularly developed interest while I was in my undergrad. Stud, I particularly developed my interest studying computer networks and databases, and my final year project was aligned with the same. Um, we took up a IEEE project called Secure Distance-Based Localization in Presence of Cheating Beacon Nodes. So this project was specifically, it was trying to localize the faulty nodes in a Wi-Fi system. So while I was working on this project, it gave me a lot of insight of how wireless network protocols work, and how the whole system is established programmatically. And the code we did was in Java, so that gave me a lot of coding strength as well. After completing my undergrad, I joined Chelsea, and I've worked in Chelsea for 4 years. In the duration of 4 years, I've learned a lot of networking protocols, as Chelsea is one of the PCI manufacturers of high-speed Ethernet. So I learned a lot of protocols like iSCSI, FCOE, and got a chance to certify device drivers on the several platforms. Um, so that was my first company. After Chelsea, I joined HCL, and I got a chance to work with HCL's client Nutanix, where I contributed on hyper-converged infrastructure. That's a very interesting project. Um, After Nutanix, I joined Rubrik, where I worked on secondary storage. So I started with network, then jumped on to compute, and then in Rubrik, I worked on storage. A lot of focus were on public cloud and offerings between public cloud and on-prem. And the last company that I'm working for, the current company is Fortanix, where I'm working on cybersecurity. The product is called Confidential Computing, and the project is about running applications securely inside enclaves, which are managed by CPUs. Um, and it's a very secure infrastructure for any enterprise, security apps which are searching for a lot of enterprise security by means of encryption. So, so all these companies are code technical companies, and I got a lot of technical knowledge. I captured this technical knowledge throughout my career, and I've also learned the skill of team building, playing the central role versus jumping onto customer calls. So it gave me a lot of insights on the real world scenarios. Yeah, so I'm quite looking forward in this area to, like, I would like to further network with people who have similar goals as mine. I would like to become an entrepreneur after completing this program. I would like to work with tech giants like Google, Facebook, Meta, uh, Apple, right? And in long term, I would like to become a computer entrepreneur. uh, and I'm quite motivated and I'm quite positive for this. Um, about my extracurricular activities, I love playing football. I love playing cricket. I represented cricket in my undergrad, my university, my undergrad. And I've also played cricket since my father was a cricket player. I also love watching cricket and soccer. Um, so I'm quite motivated in contributing to sport events at the university. Overall, I think that I have the basic skills and knowledge to pursue this course, and I'm looking forward for a long-term association with the university. Thank you.